it's done. The dinengdeng is done and it's so hot, so aromatic, so tasty, so yummy. And this is very cheap. Okay? And very, very much healthy. Nalalambot. Saluyot leaves. Saluyot leaves are leaves from wilderness, or sometimes talagang sadyang itinatanim, pero karamihan ng saluyot ay itinatanim lang ng birds. Ganon. Kaya ito'y masarap at ito'y masustansya at meron siyang kakaibang texture, yung maligas-gas o madulas-dulas ang texture nito pag naluto, guys. Hindi ko na isasali yung mga ganyang dahon, tapon natin yan. Piliin natin yung healthy and still tender na kainin. Ayan, yung maganda ang itsura na malambot, yun ang isasali lang natin. Ayan. Dinengdeng ay isang lutong Ilocano. This is an Ilocano dish from the northern Luzon. Ito ay talagang very well known, famous, traditional recipe of northern Luzon here in the Philippines. And then, ito naman ay yung labong. Ito yung bamboo shoots in English. Ito yung nalaga na siya. This is already cooked by the vendor and slice it like that finely. And then I have here also the anchovies, which I made. Anchovies. And then I will just add maybe 1 thumb size, 1 inch of this. I will cut and peel off and then slice thinly, finely, and then 2 red onions, 2 tomatoes, and maybe, let's say, 2 cloves of garlic. So, I will now prepare the spices. And I have here yung ihahalo natin is the grilled mulmul, grilled parrot fish. So smoky. It will give the essence of smoky flavor. I just peel off the skin. Just rub the knife, or you can use also the spoon. Ayan. Just scrape off the skin like that. Much easier. Much easier than slicing. Okay. Naingay yung aso sa labas. Ayan. Then, I will just slice. We will just slice thinly. Ganyan lang kasimple, guys. Okay, no need for us to slice it thinly like that. And the garlic. And then the tomato. And then block of chili. And we have here chili here to make it spicy. Wow, chilies. You see this? So hot and spicy chili. Yummy. Okay, so it's all prepared. Now we go to boil the water. Okay. Okay, now ilunod na natin sa kaserola. Lagay na natin sa kaserola yung mga sangkap. Okay, the spices. Like that. The chili. Then mulmol. At meron pang tirang ulo. Ilagay ko pa, pampalasa. Tirang mag-ihaw kami. Then of course, to let it tasty, I will place the alishi, anchovies. We won't put any more salt, only anchovies. And then, of course, the bamboo shoots. See that? Bamboo shoots? Do you like bamboo shoots? Very earthy taste and aroma. And then, of course, sabay-sabay na yung dahon. Just like that. And let us put maybe 1 cup, 1 to 1.5 cup of water. And then boil. Okay? I will just boil that. I will boil the... Okay, sindihan yan. Ilagay ang gulay natin and wait to boil until it will be cooked. We will just wait for maybe when it boils, we will just count 3 minutes and then it's done. Okay? Bantayan lang po natin na kumulo and then after na kuha niya yung boiling point, magbilang po tayo ng 3 minutes then maluto na po siya. Dahil luto na po yung bamboo shoots, also the fish, only the spices to be incorporated. That's why we are going to boil it for 3 minutes and also the leaves of the saluyot. Okay? So, let us wait. Okay? Kumukulo na siya. Silipin lang po natin. Wow. Wow. Naluto na guys. Already done. Nandun yung bamboo. And then wow. The broth is very so aromatic vegetable. The economical viand here in the Philippines, this one, the traditional Dinengdeng, the traditional dish of Ilocano in northern Luzon here in the Philippines. It costs almost just very little. Only the fish a bit expensive, but the vegetable and the spices are, so this is economical. And economical, healthy, tasty. Oh my god. So perfect. Wow. So I will just switch off. Okay. And then maybe a little paminta or black pepper to make it more spicy again. Ayan. So, tapos na guys. Pero mag-plate ako para ipakita ko sa inyo guys. I will show you. Wow, with the head of the mulmul, of the parrot fish. You see that? Wow. Wow. This is for you guys. It's done. The dinengdeng is done and it's so hot, so aromatic, so tasty, so yummy. And this is very cheap. Okay? And very, very much healthy. Here it is, the wise food for Ilocanos, the dinengdeng. Okay, so thank you guys. I will see you again next time. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hope to see you again next time. God bless. Stay safe. I love you guys.